Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Gemini to MetaMask in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your XDC tokens and move them to a secure wallet like MetaMask, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to stay safe in the crypto world. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Gemini account with some XDC tokens, and MetaMask installed on your browser or as a mobile app. If you haven't already, add the XDC network to MetaMask. It's essential for compatibility. Head to MetaMask settings, go to Networks, and add a custom RPC. I'll link the exact details in the description below, as things might evolve by 2025. Step 1. Open MetaMask and switch to the XDC network. Create a new wallet if you don't have one, or select your existing XDC wallet. Copy your wallet address, highlight it, right-click, and copy, but triple-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Step 2. Log into your Gemini account. Navigate to your dashboard, find the XDC balance, and click on the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, select XDC as the asset, enter the amount you want to transfer, and paste your MetaMask wallet address. Gemini might ask for a two-factor authentication code, so have that ready. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Check the address, amount, and any fees involved. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your MetaMask wallet for the XDC to appear. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use secure devices. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. Your XDC is now in MetaMask, ready for staking, trading, or whatever you have planned. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.